In this video, I will show you how to fix the HVCI-enabled error in Valorant on Windows. First, open the Start menu and click on Settings. From the left-hand menu, select Privacy and Security, then click on Windows Security. Next, select Device Security. Under the Core Isolation section, click Core Isolation Details. Here, you'll see the Memory Integrity option. If it's turned on, switch it off. After disabling it, restart your computer. Once your PC has restarted, launch Valorant again and check if the error has been resolved. If you're still seeing the HVCI-enabled error, the next step is to enable virtualization technology in your computer's BIOS. Restart your computer and enter the BIOS or UEFI settings. The steps may vary depending on your motherboard or laptop manufacturer, but look for a setting named Virtualization Technology, Intel VTX, Intel Virtualization Technology, AMD SVM Mode, or simply SVM Mode. If the setting is disabled, enable it, then save your changes and exit the BIOS. Your computer will restart automatically. After Windows loads, launch Valorant again. The HVCI-enabled error should now be resolved. That's it! This is how you can fix the HVCI-enabled error in Valorant on Windows 11.